Okay, this is a test. I'm going 60 miles an hour against the wind. It is really buffeting me around here. And I just want to know if this dead cat is going to help with the wind. I mean, this is the ultimate test. Not only am I going to 60 on highway, freeway speeds, I'm heading into a headwind. And I am just being buffeted. It's hard to keep the bike on the road, and I may have to turn around because this is crazy. I mean, I've been in stronger winds than this, but I had to. I was traveling. I didn't have a choice. Right now, I have a choice. Yow. Yowza, yowza, yowza. So, I want to keep talking to see how my voice sounds in all this wind. If this dead cat helps. I have just ordered a chin guard shade, or what is it called, shroud, off of Amazon. So that may help with wind noise, but I'm getting hit from both sides as far as wind. I'm getting hit by the wind that I'm creating just by traveling. Whoa, whoa, crosswind. Whoa. Yeah. This isn't a fun ride when you're fighting the wind. I don't know if it's faster to go. I mean, it's better to go faster or slower. 60 mile an hour speed limit. I think I'm going to get off here. I'm not going to attempt it. It's just too flippin' windy. Not worth it. Not worth fighting. Not just for a pleasure ride, because it's not a pleasure. This motorhome, I'm sure, is getting whipped around. Okay, let's turn around. At least I'll have the wind to my back. Lytle Creek. Yeah. And sand and gravel, and I'm coming to a stop. Holy shit. Whoa. Look at all the sand and gravel. This is from the rains. Damn it. Got me so shook up, I didn't downshift. All that gravel. I was heading up into one of our local canyons, and actually I tried to go up what we call the Cajon Pass. A lot of you may know it. Some of you may never have heard of it, but it's a major artery from where I live, my area, to Las Vegas and all points north. And it's one of a couple passes that you have to use in order to get over this mountain range. and I was going to go up this pass, try to cruise down old Route 66, and it was so damn windy. It had me white knuckling just to hold on. I don't have a windscreen on my bike, so everything's just hit me in the chest, and the side wind, woo, not for the sake of a video. I don't need to be up here. If I had to travel, if I was traveling across country and I got caught in these winds, yeah, I'd deal with it. You have to. But not when you have a choice. We, sad thing, we just had two accidents where two motorcyclists were killed. In 2 days. In one day, I think it was yesterday, we had one guy, how did it happen? Oh, one guy got T-boned. Someone turned left in front of him. And you can see the palm trees. You can see the wind blowing, the palm trees. See the bushes over here? Got some wind kicking butt. But anyway, he was going through an intersection and someone turned left right in front of him. I find myself slowing down in green lights. I really do. Not unless I'm aware, totally aware of the situation. I find myself entering the intersection with caution because people just don't see you. And we all know that. What was the other? God, I can't remember the other one, how it happened. But two in 1 week. 2 in 1 day, I believe, in my area. So when I told the wife I was going out for a ride, she freaked a little bit. No. Anyway. Woo-wee. Okay. Home again, home again. Chiggity chog.